So some of my friends told me to explain why ice melts when falling from a specific height, because this is in our syllabus in thermodynamics, physics second paper. So without just memorizing the topic, let's try to understand. Suppose an ice cube is falling from this place to the ground. This is the ground. Okay, this is the h height which it is falling to. So here the ice cube has a potential energy, which is very common, right? So while the ice cube is traveling from here to here, the potential is being converted to potential energy is being converted to kinetic energy. But what happens to this kinetic energy? Does this remains inherent in the body of the ice? Not really. This kinetic energy is then converted into three types of energy, which we said sound energy, which we say heat energy, and which we say the deformation. The amount of heat is the amount of energy is used to deform the ice or the environment, mainly the ice. Okay, the environment is more stable than the ice, so the ice deforms now, and this is the heat that is gained from the kinetic energy, that is a part of the kinetic energy which actually causes the ice to melt. Now we know that the heat required for ice to melt is latent heat of fusion, which is 336,000. So this is a huge amount of heat. So when ice is falling from a very small amount of height, it really does not melt the ice totally. It just melts a very few amount of part, and the other creates the sound energy, and the deformation of the ice occurs. The deformation of the ice occurs means that the ice breaks down into particles. Okay, the ice breaks down to smaller cubes. So without just memorizing the topic, try to understand it. This is the same thing happens when a cup of tea falls from a height to the ground. Okay, it just breaks into many pieces, right? Deformation. The kinetic energy was converted mainly to sound energy and deformation energy. We need to understand it without just memorizing it, then the concept is going to be more clear to us. Thank you.